Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a very different setting for you because I am going to be taking you through how I curl my hair. So I mean, there's loads and loads of videos out there on YouTube of how people curl their hair, and I don't know why I'm doing it. I just thought it'd be a good idea, and I'm going to curl it, and I need some content, so you can sit and watch me to see how I curl my hair. Now, my hair has got very short over the years. It used to be like down to my belly button. Yeah, it used to be like really long, so I'm still getting used to trying to curl my hair with, as it is now, like short. And so just bear with me, I just kind of figure it out. Sometimes it works really well, sometimes it really doesn't. And also, please excuse this mess. You guys don't normally get to see that because you're a lot higher and the door's normally open. But yeah, so if you want to know how I curl my hair, then just keep on watching. So first off, we can just talk through the curling tools that I use. I use BaByliss. So I use, this is the, I can't remember it of the box anymore, but this is a lot smaller, and this is a clippy one. I really don't like these clippy ones. I don't know how they work, so I just wrap my hair around them. And it's good because it has the little, I don't know how you maybe see that. It has like the buttons and then a temperature changing dial, which is always good. So we'll just let that heat up. And then what I used to use when my hair was much longer, and in all honesty I love this so much, it's probably the best gift that I've ever been bought. Still again BaByliss, but it was just so good for my long hair, and the cord was long and just everything's great. So basically exactly the same thing, but this is a 33mm wand, and the other one I think it's like 20 or something, but like you can see the dials as such are all the same, the controls, and they're really good. Like I used to use this all the time, and there's not really any discoloration or anything on the wand, so that's always a good sign. But yeah, aside from that, hairbrush and hairspray. I've already put heat protection in my hair because I've washed my hair today, so you put that in when it's wet. That's already been done. So yeah, normally I just kind of use TRESemmé, the heat protection one that's like a black bottle with pink writing and stuff. So I put that in when my hair's wet, and then I did blow dry it quickly, and then I've just left it. I don't really like to fully blow dry it. And then of course you'll need hairspray. I love this one, it's quite good. Normally I go for the big black bottle with the pink writing on it. This isn't sponsored by TRESemmé, by the way, it just happens to be the products I use. But any hairspray you have that works for you. I like the Silverican one as well, just because it's cheap and cheerful and does the job, and it's just not too heavy. So yeah, I also have my laptop here because I like to sit and watch stuff while I do my hair. At the moment I'm watching The Witcher, and I just can't help like pressing next. Let's get ready. So I normally section my hair, so kind of from my ears backwards, and that would be the first section. So it's normally in 3 sections. So that is what we're working with, just enough hair. I hope you could see that. Because I'm going more for waves rather than proper curls, it's kind of a bit nicer to not be as precise. That's the thing, I can curl my hair perfectly fine with my methods, but waving it, that's a whole other story. So you people out there that have wavy hair when you curl it and not curly hair, I'm jealous. Okay. Alright, so we'll do section our hair. I'm just gonna brush it out. It's always handy to have like a little clip or something as well, so that you can keep your hair sectioned. Never done one of these before, so this is gonna be interesting. Gonna take my little scrunchie and just tie this bit to the side, because when you have short hair for some reason it just doesn't want to stay. So now we'll be taking this, and there's not really, I don't want to think there's a method, but I tend to just like to take even chunks. So just comb it out so that we'll have everything, and then because this is kind of quite close to the front of my face, I like to move it away. and then kind of hold it like this. And it's really annoying because I have layers, so they will just pop out. And because I only want waves, that is basically perfect for me. Give it a bit of curl, just to say, keep it shaped. Then a little spritz. We'll just keep doing that. This one, again, I'm just going to alternate now, so I'm going to bring it in the opposite direction. Go. Again, curl that with it so it's a little bit more together. Just a little spritz. And then that tiny little bit again. So there's my little curl situation, and because this one's just a little bit, I really don't mind, because, you know, just going to be like that. So I'll do this side and I'll be right back with the next layer. Okay, so I mean you can't really see it that great because those bags, but this is what we got. It's just kind of give them a bit of a fiddle so they don't get too set. So then we go to layer number 2, and then we just take it, I do it kind of from just above my eyebrows, so just from up here, and then so that is what the section looks like. That's what we got. And again, just part that down the middle. Now, the reason that I pour everything down the middle is, I don't know why, when it comes to straightening my hair, I do it because sometimes my straight hair, I wear it as a middle parting, or I have the freedom to flip it over. And I guess it's just the same with this. And it just gives, you know, just do. If you don't have a clip, just put it in your mouth. And as you'll probably notice now is I'm going to alternate it a little bit more. So while the one that we just did went one way, now we're going to go the other way around the barrel. So the one that we just did went that way across the barrel, we're now going to go backwards against it. And you'll notice I don't actually put that bit round, I still kind of hold that little bit out as well, so it gives it more of a wave feel rather than a proper curl. And this one, despite it being at the front, we are going to curl it into the face rather than away from the face. Kind of give it a little wiggle as you go through. Not a complete brush, but a little wiggle. So now on to the other side. Yeah, you can't really see it, so again, I'll just be right back. Okay, layer number 2 has been done. So now we gotta do number 3. And this one always causes me just a little bit of trouble because the hair up here is just so short. So again, we're just going to section it down and also section it through the middle. Well, as much as you can. So now I curl it in the part. So for now, what I'm going to do is just hold this side off. So this bit just kind of takes a little bit more thought, just because you kind of want to know how your hair's sitting. So say if you were going to clip this side back, you'd kind of want to curl the curls all backwards. There you go, so that they don't stick out behind the curl and such. But I'm not doing that, so there's one bit. Because I've only got a few bits, I have to plan as well which side I want the curls to go. So I want this one to go backwards, so I did the other one forwards. Because this one is in front of my face, and it really annoys me when they are like curled into my face and it's just, You just can't get them to move out of the way properly. There, and just because I want to smoothen this bit a little bit, I'll just go in with the clippy bit and use it kind of like a straightener. Now the reason I kind of sectioned it away was because there's a lot more hair on this side now. So I'll just give it a brush. And I forgot to mention that I also have coconut oil in my hair. That just helps me not make it frizzy. There's that one. And then I'll go through and do the rest. Now what I've done here is I don't know if you can see, but I've kind of made the section here in half, just so that they all weren't going in the same direction and there was just a little bit of texture. Okay, now just gonna give him a bit of a pull through with my fingers. I don't like doing it with a hairbrush because I just think it makes them all go like fluffy, and it's just not really what I'm down for. And what I'm gonna do as well is just, this looks a bit flat, so I'm just gonna take this, just kind of curl with it in a way, put it through and kind of round it over, and it'll give a bit more lift and stuff to it. One last little spritz, and there we go. That is literally how I curl my hair. And then I normally, I'll show you how I do my little pin. One moment. So the little kind of pearly grip that I got, it's just this one here. I got it from Primark like ages ago, just before my graduation. And then you just need 2 grips, bobby pins, slides, whatever you call them. And like, can you see the way that I curled my hair actually made it so that it tucks around my ear quite nicely, and this bit still can kind of come forward and do what it wants to do, but these bits, because I curled them back, fit. So what I do is tuck them behind my ear, put everything behind me, and I just keep it, because I like it really smooth, so I just keep it and I just hold it, put it through near enough behind my ear that's going to go. It's going to keep the hair back as far as possible. Then I would go in with my second one, but it's broken, so I just put the slide in. And then similar thing, but you can bring it a little bit more forward, and then I go there. And because those grips are a little bit further back, it just means everything is a lot smoother. That is how I curl my hair, guys, and also how I style it. I'm just going to move out the way of those bags because they're really annoying me. Anyway, yeah, this is my hair. I'm just going to go about my day like this with my curly hair. But yeah, if you would like any more hair tutorials, then let me know. Not quite sure if this one will see the light of day, but if it does, obviously I changed my mind. But yeah, this is the finished look. Apart from that, I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my day in the winter sunshine. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, all of that good stuff down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!